Hello. My name's Gigi Peach. How are you today? I found this adorable voice and had to use it. Hope you like it. For this video, I bought this Lego building set from Temu. I thought it's cute and bought it. It took 8 days for it to arrive. Luckily, none of the parts got damaged. The display case has no scratches, which is a plus. The Legos are packed in 3 bags. At first glance, the instruction manual looks understandable. For the first Lego placement, I guessed from looking at the first diagram and build it from there. Now building the stone ornament. Please give a like. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. First decoration done. Now embellishing it with flowers. Looking good so far. Now I begin building the roses. First row's done. Building the second rows. It's so cute. Building a little rose. It's looking so good. Rose number 4. Rose number 4 done. Rose number 5. Adding rows 6 and 7. It got tricky as I couldn't attach the rows to the stem. Without the rows I'm holding falling apart. So I had to be gentle and careful. Last rows. Lastly, putting the dome on. It's so cute! I got this on a sale and it was cheap. It looks exactly as pictured. From my building experience, I rate the difficulty 2 stars. I don't recommend this for young children, as there are a lot of small parts. There are 5 different designs. Blue rose, sunflower, carnation, dandelion, gardenia. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on Lego models, check out Temu. It has all sorts of stuff and the quality is good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a like and subscribe if you haven't. Hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.